Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today, I got me another ESR gear. This one is a 3-in-1 wireless charger. Now, here's the thing. I have been working with ESR for a while. They contacted me on this one and said, hey, do you want to check the brand new 3-in-1 out? Because I do have an older model of theirs that I totally love. Still use it on my desk, but today they came out with a brand new one. And so I say, of course. They did not pay me for this video at all. They just sent me the products and asked me to take a look at it. And so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this, test it out, see if there's any improvement over my old favorite that I have right here. So let's do it. If you don't know ESR, by the way, they are one of the best, in my opinion, the best accessory makers for the iPhone out there. What they've done is they have taken MagSafe to like a whole new level, from their case to their chargers. That's why I noticed, because for instance, on their old charger, for instance, this is a MagSafe, right? There's actually a little fan inside of it. And when you put your phone on there to charge, and if you've used MagSafe, you know that the phone does get hot over MagSafe, because everyone knows that the heat is what kills the battery, right? So anyway, they've done a good job on that one. Okay, so right here it says this is a portable Apple Watch charger. So interesting, this is not like attached to the actual charger itself, but it looks like it's a standalone device. Oh, cool. So you can literally take this with you without it really like attached to the device itself, right? So this could be just a standalone. Look, it's USB-C, so you can really plug this into, you know, any USB-C adapter and charge your watch with it. That's cool that they separate that. And by the way, this is like a magnet right here. Very clever. First impression is that this doesn't go up and down, okay? So if you guys are thinking that it does not go up and down. The old one, you can kind of tilt it up and down this way. This one does not. So it's just literally a stand like that. So that's great, by the way. If you don't have a watch, you don't wear a watch, you don't have to use this at all. And this is, by the way, in the back is where you plug this in. Yes, it is. It's pretty tight back there. Right here is also a wireless charger, mainly for like iPod Pros, iPods, if you have those, the iPods. Let's see what kind of charger it comes with this time. Last time it came with an actual brick charger that plugs straight into the 3-in-1, but this time it's all USB-C. Okay, I like that much better. The other one was proprietary, meaning that, you know, it's one of these regular power adapter right here. I didn't like that at all. I actually like all of my stuff USB-C, because you always have these laying around, right? And this is pretty long. It's not 6 feet. It's probably about 4 to 5 feet. This brick is a 20-watt brick. So that's really all it needs, huh? 20 watt to charge all three. Plugged it in. So the one change that they did not go with anymore is the actual fan that's on these. So no more fan on this, guys. You know, interestingly, this is actually a ESR case that I have on here. I forgot that I still have it on here. But anyway, so ESR case, guys, along with ESR charger. Yeah, this thing is very strong. It's not going anywhere. Obviously, this is the ESR case, so I totally love this magnet on this case right here. This is the Crystech case, I believe. The hybrid and the Crystech case look the same, so I have no idea if I have one or the other on. But yeah, it's pretty strong, the magnet. The one thing I do like about it, and they've done that with their old one as well. You see how this is round? Instead of using a square and then just putting the MagSafe on the square, they've round this off. You see that? The reason why is it's important, okay? If you look at this, if I were to put this right here, because the round MagSafe extruded out, this case right here, the camera bump right here does not hit anything. And so you're getting a full magnet. That's why it's so strong all around. Very good. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there we go. It lights up. Because this is AirPod Gen 2, I can use it on the MagSafe as well, and it stays on there pretty tight. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my new charger on my desktop, guys. I mean, it has all the charging ports that I need for all my accessories. So this one right here, I'm gonna have to retire it. I hate to say it, but yeah, that looks great. There you go, guys. ESR 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. Awesome. I'm so glad they upgraded this.